What's up, FHS? Welcome back to the Saber Roar. I'm Dulce.
And I'm Sabrina. Today we'll take a look at the bowling team, students' favorite art projects, the spring musical, and learn more about our very own Mrs. Vedbraaten.
Bowling fans were treated to exciting action this weekend with standout performances and intense competition taking center stage. Let's take a look at the Franklin bowling team.
I've been bowling myself since 6th grade, and I've bowled every single year, haven't missed a year yet, and I love bowling. The best piece of advice would be elbow tight to the side, arm swing, straight up forward, straight back, and just aim for the pins. That's the best advice for a starter bowler.
Many of the players are top bowlers. Let's learn a thing or two from their experiences.
Practice like weekly, and I have friends that do it, so it makes it even better. We can work as a team in bowling and how like everyone contributes, but you also contribute in your own way. The part of bowling I find the most exciting is definitely striking. Most strikes. So yeah, strikes.
I understand bowling, I know how it works, I know how to line the kids up, I know all about the shots, and I bowl well myself. So I just want to give it back to the kids. I'm going to share my knowledge with the kids.
Many of the players enjoy playing on the team and have accomplished a lot this season. Good luck next season.
Congrats, varsity bowlers, for making it to state. Can't wait to see you grow before next season.
Hannah got a chance to talk with some FHS art students to showcase their artwork. Let's take a look.
FHS. Many of the students here will put a lot of time and effort into their artwork, and today I am going to be asking them about what their favorite project is. What is your favorite art project you've made at FHS?
So I have like two favorite art projects. One of them is like this recreation of a painting I did as a child, and another one is my print making project of a lemur.
What is your favorite art project you've made?
The low poly project in digital art and design.
What is your favorite art project you've made here?
My current favorite project, I'm working on it right now, it's for the visual arts team. I'm working on a cyanotype triptych.
What is your favorite art project that you've made at FHS?
So I've been an art student for 3 years at FHS, and probably one of my favorites, I love photography. I'm really into digital art, and my favorite one is the one I'm getting submitted for gallery night this year. It's all about photoelasticity, so seeing all of like the plastic ripples in plastics and making them really colorful and shiny.
What is your favorite art project you've made here?
My favorite project is the still life that I'm currently working on and drawing and painting too. I just really like looking at the world around me and being able to replicate that because it adds a personal connection and really makes you like involved in your surroundings.
We love seeing students being proud of their creativity they find through art.
And now let's take a look at our friends in theater as they ramp up to deliver the Addams Family musical.
Here I am outside the doors of the Saber Center, where from March 13th to the 16th you can see the theater department produce their silliest, spookiest love story yet, the Addams Family musical. The entire theater department has been hard at work trying to produce the play, with stage crew creating the props, set, and more, while the actors work hard to memorize their songs and positions.
My favorite part, I honestly love, full disclosure, just chaos, absolute chaos until the end of Act 1, and then problems arise until all the way through it's resolved and the end of the musical.
The actors have been having fun promoting their show on social media, as well as working vigorously to make sure that they know every dance, position, and also making sure that they remember all of their songs.
I've been doing theater since I was young, and I've always just had a passion for it. I love singing and dancing. I think the theater community is really just a fun group of people to work with, so I just decided to audition.
Stage crew has been working hard creating a massive set of the Addams Family house, as well as a large rack set piece, and a large quantity of various props.
Well, that was interesting. If you want to see them in action the weekend of March 13th, get your tickets at sabercenter.ludus.com.
This week, we want to introduce an enthusiastic and caring new teacher. Let's welcome Mrs. Vedbraaten and learn more about her.
My name is Mrs. Vedbraaten, and I am a math teacher here at Franklin High School.
Ms. Vedbraaten has only been here for a couple of months now, but her love of teaching still continues on.
There are 9 in common, but oh, there's that other pattern, x squared minus 1.
I am just really passionate about what I do. I care a lot about education. I care a lot about the people that walk through this door.
Ms. Vedbraaten always knows what to say. She might be a math teacher, but she always gives great advice.
You know, whether you love or hate math, my connection with you is about you as a person, not your ability in math. I think I bring passion to the table. Students have always said that I'm ridiculously happy, and I do. It's bright and early in the morning. It's like, good morning. What are we going to do today? And I just, you know, we're going to have good days and bad days. And, you know, at the end of the day, if you can say, you know what, I did my very best today, then that's your very best. You know, you can do anything you set your mind to. It's not about being good or bad at this, that, the other thing. You set yourself a goal, you work for it, you can achieve it. Franklin's a great place to be. I appreciate the warmth, and everyone has been so very nice. Franklin's a great place to be, and I'm so glad to be a part of it.
You can find Ms. Vedbraaten here in room C218 only on A-days. When you get the chance to see her, make sure to give her a warm welcome here at FHS. This is Dulce Castro, back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Dulce, for telling us about Mrs. Vedbraaten.
My pleasure. The senior spotlight this week is senior Jackson Schultz. He was nominated by Ms. Dreyer because during her absence, he was a reliable intern, answered questions for the class, helped us up, and checked formatives.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
If you have any suggestions on what you would like to see on the Saber Roar, then scan this QR code. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at the Saber Roar to stay with all things Saber Roar.
We'll see you next week, Sabers.